This power cage by SportsRoyals is awesome. I played a couple years of college ball and of course high school ball before that, and there are things on this machine that I don't even know how they work. So it's super versatile and it's really rigid, it's really stable, and I'm really impressed. All right, so let's talk instructions first and installation. The instruction manual is super clear. The English is great. The pictures are great. I was very impressed. It did take me 3 hours to put it together, but don't get scared when you see all these blowouts and stuff. Some of the pieces are already put together, but again, 3 hours, and this QR code to this install video, it's one of the best install videos I've ever seen. So you can do it. All right, one of the other best things about the install is how they break everything into 3 packets. There's packet 3, packet 2, packet 1 for the hardware. There's actually a box drawn around each step in your instruction manual. Once you're done with those parts, you move on to the next box so you know exactly where you are. Now, just for fun, I'm unboxing in reverse all these boxes so you can see there are 9 boxes in total in my set. I got the 230 pounds to come with it, but I did not order a weight bench because I already had one. All right, so you're just looking at it here, the pulleys and all the parts are super smooth, super strong. It's made out of 2mm steel, so I think that's more than enough. It's kind of a lightweight to medium weight commercial grade. So again, I think it's stable, it's sturdy, and I have no doubt this thing's gonna hold up. All right, here we are doing some squats. It does come with a 7-foot Olympic barbell holding 1,600 pounds. We won't be doing anything near that weight. Here we are doing some flies. You can tell he can do a whole lot more weight than that, but we're testing it out. The pulleys move smoothly. Everything is really nice. There's even some bumpers on the bottom there when those weights do come down. Really like that. All right, here we go, doing some dips. You can do wide, you can do narrow, you can do them inside or outside the cage. Very nice. All right, the bench press, you'll notice underneath it there are some safety bars. There's actually that set that goes all the way across you can use for squats as well. But also there's some smaller ones that'll hook onto the front. You can see them right there in the bottom there. So if you're doing some workout in front with a barbell, you can have those safety bars as well. So we're doing some trap workout here, doing some pull-ups. You can do inside, outside, decline, all that stuff. Just really impressed with how many variations of the pull-up bar there are. Again, this is not rocking. It's very stable, very rigid. All right, this thing is something called like the landmine or 360 landmine or something. I've never even seen this before. And then later, I found that there's actually an attachment. If you look below the yellow plates there on the right side, there's like a little, it looks like a little bicycle handlebars. That's an attachment that goes on there. It's a super cool thing. I'm really enjoying getting to know this. But again, I've played lots of years of sports, never done that once. All right, here we are doing some cable rows. Again, there's some bumpers on the bottom of the weights as they come up and down, so it's really smooth. This whole system is just slides. You just pull the pin, slide it up, put it where you need it. So you can have it really low, you can have it really high, somewhere in the middle. Very, very versatile. Just love it. All right, so again, this is from SportsRoyals. They sent it to me for a review. I do tons of review videos, and I'm so impressed with it, especially the sturdiness and the construction and the ease of putting it together. Just love it. All right, here I am, just one more. I'm gonna do the lat pull down. Right now I'm putting these weights on evenly, but I like how you can actually do it uneven. You can have like 2 plates on one side and 1 on the other, so you can kind of dial it in exactly what you need. Very, very impressed. Well, I hope seeing this up close and personal is helpful. I think the main takeaway is it's sturdy, it's strong, it's big, but it's not too big for your space, for my space anyway. And there are still features and exercises that I haven't even explored yet. Like for instance, look underneath my left foot there. There are 3 band pegs coming off both sides so that you can do band workouts with this thing too. It's just so good. So well done, SportsRoyals. And again, thank you for sending it to me for my review. This is my honest review.